How to improve Snapchat camera quality on Android. First of all, open the Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update to make sure you are using the latest version. Next, clean the camera lens with a soft cloth to avoid blurry snaps. Next, go to your phone settings, then apps, app management, or manage apps depends on your phone model. Find Snapchat, tap on it. Tap on permissions. Make sure camera and storage permissions are enabled. The next step is clear Snapchat's cache. Go to Snapchat, Profile, then Settings and Clear Cache. Restart your phone and test the camera again. Hold the power button and restart your phone. If quality is still poor, try using your phone's default camera app first and upload from memories. Since some Android phones don't use the native camera inside Snapchat. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.